I came to Mercy because I was looking for a school that really had a strong sense of sisterhood and family. And I think that an all-girls school is the perfect way to do that throughout high school. And I also knew that Mercy has such a strong history of building like strong, empowered women. And so I think that I wanted to be a part of that.
When I first got to Mercy, my very first day there was our Link Crew Day, and I felt so welcomed by all the girls. When we walked in, they were all cheering for us and just made us all feel like we were already part of the Sisterhood.
My freshman year, when I first came here, I knew that I was definitely going to audition for the fall play, and I was very nervous. I got a speaking role as a freshman, and I was very excited, and that definitely kind of upped my confidence and encouraged me to keep doing theater as I kept going through high school.
Being a Mercy student, I love the most the community that is in like every classroom and every teacher. There's just so much support with all the girls that are around you all the time. And I know that the girl next to me, even if we aren't the closest friends, like she's still my sister and she's still there to support me.
Something I love about Mercy is probably the community that's built over the 4 years. That comes through the retreat programs, just during class, and the extracurriculars that are offered.
I think having a space for faith and spirituality has definitely benefited my school life. I've been a Eucharistic minister, and I think that I've gotten a lot more involved in my faith coming to Mercy.
I decided to join mission ministry because I grew a lot in my faith outside of school, and I wanted to bring it inside the school. So by leading like Bibles and bagels and stuff, I can like help other people grow in theirs too.
I started doing shows, and it really helps you grow into a better version of yourself, because not only are you performing, but you're meeting all these people who are helping you better yourself.
I went to Mercy's open house as an 8th grader, and I saw Mercyers performing, and I was like, I know I want to be a part of that.
Being an athlete here is a very unique experience and is something that definitely has been like my best part of being a Mercy student. It is very competitive, but it's also very encouraging, and we receive a lot of support from all students, and it's just so much fun and a great atmosphere to be in.
The resources are very abundant here at Mercy, and I think that just the fact that I have access to those makes me feel motivated to succeed. I can take risks and I can be successful because there are so many people willing to like lift me up and walk with me.
Mercy is sisterhood.
Mercy is empowering.
Mercy is a collaborative community.
Mercy is the best place to be.